Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean the inside of your portable air conditioner for maximum efficiency. We're going to go ahead, we're going to have to take the whole shell off. So any screws you see on the outside, we're going to take them all off. Now if you look at the side where your carrying handles are, and at the bottom by your power cord there's also screws. I'm going to take them out. So there's none on the front. I'm going to spin it around. You got more on the other side, same thing. So now that we have all of them out of place, we're just going to open it on up. So just find an edge that you can pull on. Be gentle so you don't break it. So inside we just took this filter off. This is a little screen, and there's little sections that you can push. Every air conditioner is different, so yours might not have that. We're going to pull on those. Might need a flat edge to help us here. Alright, so it's just held on by tabs. A couple of them broke a little bit, but that's okay. So again, just be careful. So you can see this is what your coil is supposed to look like on the top, and that's what it looks like on the bottom. So we're just going to give that a vacuum with our shop vac. So if it's deep in, you might need to get a comb in there or a brush, but that got it pretty good. And that's all there is to it. I'll do another video later in the year when I close it up and get it ready for storage for cleaning all the tanks out. But for now, that's just how to keep it nice and clean. And all we're going to do after vacuuming off those coils is we're just going to put our shell back together, and then we're good to go. And you'll notice with this maintenance that it'll start to cool down a lot quicker. The other thing, make sure that you clean this little filter that comes on. Some of them have a few, this one just has the one. But always make sure that you clean that. And we keep our house fairly clean, but that was still pretty dirty, so just goes to show you how much it can collect. So I'm just going to make a couple notes before concluding this video. We actually didn't need to take off the side ones here unless you're taking this front piece off. So we could have got away with not doing that. But if you're doing a full clean all throughout, you'll take all of them off. And the other note is that for this particular model, all the screws were the same, so it didn't matter which one went back where. But again, a third note we'll make is that every model is different, every brand is different. So this is just a guideline. This doesn't mean that this is exactly how yours will be, but it should be fairly close. Hopefully this was helpful, and please like and subscribe.